What's going on to my fellow Pyros? Just doing a little stash update. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First one, I got two of these retro arcades by Window Fireworks. Picked up a air hockey hero by Windows. Got a pinball wizard by Window. Crazy space travel by I think Sky Fireworks. Picked up two electric jellyfish by Power Planet. Those are some good cakes, by the way. And picked up an ectoskeleton by Dominator Fireworks. Got a Beyond It All by Brothers. A Breakthrough by Raccoon Fireworks. Got a Danger Days by Madness Fireworks. Broken Heart by Window. Coming over here, picked up a pinball wizard by Window. Another air hockey hero by Window Fireworks. Got a Cyber Great by Pyro Planet. Picked up a Crazy Matrix by Dominator. Got a Hornet's Den by, it's hard to tell what it's by. I think it's by Heavyweight Fireworks, if I ain't mistaken. Yeah, Heavyweight Fireworks. Got a Falcon Rising by Brothers. One of my favorites right here, Crazy Exciting by World Class. Love them 25 shot, 200 grams. Got an Explorer by Sky Fireworks. Picked up an Electric Eruption by Heavyweight Fireworks. Got an Aggression by Raccoon Fireworks. Crackling Frenzy by Heavyweight Fireworks. And this one, last but not least, the foil. If I'm spelling it wrong, please correct me. It's by Brothers, by the way. And that is about it for the little stash update for right now. And Skimp the Pyro is out.